So first we will go to the teams, select any of the teams, then click on files, then here open in SharePoint. Click open in SharePoint. When you will click it, so this window, not this one, this window will appear, and you can click on new. You can share this Word, Excel, PowerPoint or link, whatever you want. Suppose I created this Excel sheet. On the comments, once you will click on comment, so this window will appear. You can write the comments, and also the students can write the comments. Again we go on the same file, this one. From here you can conversation with Outlook with the students, and you can use all these tools. Thank you.